Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to build credit and save money at the same time. Yes, you have heard it right. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. And remember, the way I am going to show you which can help you to build your credit and save money, it's completely free, so it means you won't have to pay a single penny to anyone, and I will take you on its application step by step, and I will tell you each and every detail that you need to know. So now, without wasting any time, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So right here, after a lot of requests, messages, comments, and emails, here is an amazing opportunity right in front of you. And yes, this time is for the people who have bad credit, or for the people who have their credit and they're unable to get any credit card or loan. You know, in Credit Viral channel we have a lot of videos which will help you to get loans and different credit cards with no credit check or just a soft pull. But it's always great to have better credit, or you can say good credit, so you can actually open ways for yourself. Of course, there's a lot of products that you cannot have without a good or excellent credit score. So right here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can have great credit score just in the matter of at least 2 or 3 months. Yes, you have heard it right. So right here, the product that I'm going to review in front of you is Seed, or they also call it Credit Saver. So now they've changed it. It used to be Credit Saver, as you can see right here, but now they've changed the name and it's seedfi.com. You can also access it with creditsaver.com. So I'm just going to paste the link below in the video's description. You can go there, click on it, and this page will open. Remember, this service and this thing is completely free, and what it means by that, you know, like you can build your credit right here, and then whatever you do to build your credit, you will not give a single penny to anyone. It means it will be going to your savings account. And how it works, now I'm going to tell you. So what they do exactly, they give you a secured loan. So let me just tell you, there's a lot of confusions about secured loans and what is secured loans and stuff. So now I'm going to tell you each and everything. So there are 4 steps that you need to follow. Okay, so here how it works, as they're telling you, and it says you build credit and savings for free. Again, not a single penny. You will hear about of loans such as payoff and other sort of services. They are expensive. So right here, this one is completely free. And you know that on Credit Viral channel, we also review the stuff that is beneficial for you, and most of the time those things are free. So don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon and like this video. So right here, as you see, the first thing you need to do is to apply for SeedFi Credit Saver loan. So yes, it's a loan, it's a savings loan. So what they do exactly, they will give you a loan. You won't have to give them anything as a collateral. No, you don't. All you need to do, they will tell you, hey, you have certain payments, so you need to do, for example, if you get $1,000 loan, right, and then you have to pay it in 10 months. So every month you have to give them $100, and that $100 will be going in the savings account that they opened for you. So they will not take a single penny. So after 10 months, when you will pay that $1,000 back, you will get your $1,000 into your checking account or in your pocket. So yes, this is what it is, and it's an amazing opportunity. As you can see that, you know, like when you apply for this loan, or they are not going to impact your credit score, because credit score is not required. So it says that checking your loan offers will not affect your or impact your credit score, so don't worry about it. So first thing, you need to apply for a SeedFi loan. I will take you on application in a bit. The second, your loan gets locked in a savings account while you make interest-free payments. Yes, there's no interest, there's no APR, there's no other charges. So if you are paying $100 every month, or $50 every bi-weekly, or $25 every week, so that payment will go to the savings account and it will be locked for you. And when you finish paying your loan, you will get that amount back. And remember, the great thing about this, that why it's going to build your credit, is going to build your credit because when you make payment, they will report to all three credit bureaus. Yes, they are going to report to all three credit bureaus when you make payments. So yes, every month your payments will be reported, your loan will be reported, your utilization, or you can say that your loan utilization will be reported, that how much the loan is left and how much you have utilized and stuff. So they are going to report it to the credit bureaus, so it will build your credit. So as they say, you build credit with each time or each on-time payment. So whenever you make the payment, they report to the credit bureaus, and that's how you build your credit. And the last one is that when your loan is paid off, we unlock your savings account. So your savings account will be unlocked. You can withdraw the money from there and use it for whatever you want, right? So this is an amazing opportunity. Now they're saying that why is the credit saver loan is free? What's the catch? We are offering credit saver loan for free because we want to invest in building positive relationship with you. There are no gimmicks or hidden fees. This product is absolutely free, and we want to earn your trust by helping you build credit, and so we can help you when you have other needs. So keep that in mind, you don't have to pay a single penny. So now let's click on let's go and see how the application looks like. And here's the countdown: 3, 2, 1. Let's click. So as soon as you click on it, they're gonna ask you your first name, your last name, then your email address, your cell phone number, and your password. Do give them your personal cell phone numbers, so if they want to contact you, the call will directly come to you. So keep that in mind. But there are some questions that I really need to go through right here, so it will just clear your mind. The first thing, that why should you get the loan? The fast answer is the seed file loan will give you the money you need now, help you build credit, leave you with savings, and acts as a gateway to other excellent financial opportunities. Of course, when you build your credit, of course you will have other opportunities in front of you as well. It will open the doors for you. So yes, this is what it is. Now one more thing that that really triggers when you think about these loans, that like how you can do that, how you can make payments. Of course, you connect your bank account with them, right? And when you do, what they will do exactly, they will deduct the payment automatically from your account every week, bi-weekly, or monthly, whatever the offer you will select. So keep that in mind. This is really simple and really straightforward. As you know that we were on the application right here, all you need to do, when you click on next, they will ask you for your banking information. Don't worry about it. They're not going to do any sort of hard pull, or they're not going to deduct any money from your account. It's just a general requirement. And remember that right after this video, I am going to upload another video which will allow you to get a $15,000 personal credit card with no credit check at all. So in order to watch that video, please click on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon, so you will get notified whenever we upload that video for you. So then please like this video. It helps the channel grow and it motivates us to bring more great content just for you. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.